you who have made the newspaper rolls, take out 4 of them. Okay, take out 4 of them, and I have said in the material list we want something round, a round bowl or something. I am using this round thing. Look, you can use any bowl this big. Okay, okay. So first we will take one of the newspaper rolls and we will stick some glue on one of its end. Okay, then we will join another newspaper roll with the first one. Joining all the 4 newspaper rolls, then what you have to do, you have to take one end and start rounding this over your bowl like this. Okay, you need to give it a round shape. And I'll stick some glue here. तो यहाँ हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक राउंड शेप देना है कोई भी राउंड बाउल के साइड साइड में. ओके, then after sticking it you can take it out. So here you will get a round structure like this from the newspaper roll. If you want to add some glue in the middle, you can add and just press it. Side. Okay, now we will take the rest of our newspaper rolls, count 7 of them. Okay, I'm taking 7 of the newspaper rolls, and then I'll just measure 15 centimeter from the bottom. Okay, I'll measure 15 centimeter from the bottom at this part. 7 sticks. Okay, I have taken 7 sticks and I have measured 15 centimeter from the bottom. Or you can make it 17 centimeter if you want. Okay, I have taken 17, a little big. Now we will take another roll and we will twist this part here. We will twist this roll over the mark. We will seal it with glue. And we will take another newspaper roll and we have to seal all the 7 of them together. Like this. Then we will apply some glue at the end and we will stick it. So it will become like this. You can see. From the bottom 17 centimeters. This one it's 17 centimeters. Then you have to take another stick and round it like this. Okay, 7 sticks. I have taken 7 sticks here. This part you have to take the 15 centimeter wires. Now you can see that I have taken 17 centimeter from the bottom, and we have to insert these wires inside those newspaper sticks. We'll insert it from the bottom. Okay, we have 7 sticks here. We have to insert 7 wires on each of them. First I'll take one wire and I'll insert it in the hole of one newspaper stick. ओके, तो देख यहाँ पे नीचे तरफ से हमने कितने स्टिक्स लिए थे? 7 स्टिक्स लिए थे. तो इस 7 स्टिक्स के बीच में होल होगा. आपके स्टिक्स के बीच में हर न्यूज़पेपर रोल में एक होल होगा ना, इन द मिडिल. तो एक वायर लेना है, और अगर वो थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है तो पहले उसे हम लोग सीधा कर लेंगे हाथ से. वी विल स्ट्रेट द वायर. उसके बाद किसी एक स्टिक के होल के अंदर हमें एक वायर को ऐसे सिंपली इंसर्ट करना है. ओके, इंसर्ट करने के बाद वो पूरा चला जाना चाहिए. इंसर्ट करने के बाद जो ये हम लोग का एंड पार्ट था वो स्टिक का, वो एंड जो होल था, उस होल को हम बंद कर देंगे ग्लू से. यहाँ पे ग्लू लगा के ऐसे प्रेस कर देंगे तो वो बंद हो जाएगा. Okay, so after inserting the stick, we need to seal the hole of the newspaper roll by applying glue. So I have applied glue and pressed it a bit, and I have sealed it. So I have already inserted one of my wire. Like this we will do on all the other newspaper. Completed, then you can show me. Yes. वायर्स हमें स्टिक्स में डालने के बाद स्टिक्स का जो बॉटम पार्ट है उसे सील कर देना है ग्लू से. ओके, ताकि वायर्स बाहर. हाँ, उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट आई एम सेइंग, उसके बाद हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं फिर क्या करना है. हमने जो राउंड बनाया था ना, हमें उसे लेना है. yes it is okay. Okay, now you can take your round that you have made earlier. Okay, and now we have to give these a round shape. Okay, on the newspaper rolls where we have inserted our wires, we need to bend it and give it a round shape. Like, yes I can. तो अभी हमने जो न्यूज़पेपर रोल्स में जिसमें वायर घुसाए थे, हमें उसे ऐसे राउंड शेप देना है, उसे ऐसे हाथ से बेंड कर देना है. ओके, तो कैसा लगेगा कि हमने फ्रॉक बनाया है. फ्रॉक के नीचे का पार्ट ऐसे खुला रहता है ना, हमें वैसा शेप देना है. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल टेक ऑल द 7 and we will bend it like a semicircle. We have to bend it. So ये जो नीचे ये जो सर्कल है, ये वाला सर्कल जो मैंने बनाया है, ये ऐसे ही कोई राउंड शेप का आपके पास बाउल होगा तो आप उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, मैंने इसे यूज़ किया था और इसके साइड में इसे लपेटा था और फिर बनाया था. लाइक अ सेमी सर्कल आई हैव बेंट ऑल द वायर्स. यहाँ मैंने सारे जितने भी न्यूज़पेपर रोल्स मैंने वायर इंसर्ट किए थे मैंने उसे सेमी सर्कल के जैसा बेंड कर दिया है। ओके, फिर हमें क्या करना है, जिस after you have bent it like this, then what we have to do is we have to join all our bent parts in this wire, in this circle we have made earlier. Okay, we have to join all this bent parts in the circle. We will join it with glue. I'll show you how. Now I will take some glue. Okay, now we will take some glue on the end of this newspaper roll. Okay, please switch off your mic. Okay, now we will take some glue on end of this newspaper roll where we have inserted the wire, and we will stick it on the round circle that we have made earlier. We have to make it like a frock. Okay, we will stick it at some distances, not very near to each other. After applying glue and sticking, you need to hold there for some seconds so that it won't come off. Here I have stick 2 of them, and like this you have to stick all the seven newspaper rolls where we have inserted our wire on this circle at equal distances. Okay, I have stick this one here, then I have kept this much distance, and then I have stick another one. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, हमने जो न्यूज़पेपर रोल्स में जिसमें हमने वायर्स इंसर्ट किए थे हमने उसे शेप दिया, ऐसे सेमी सर्कल शेप दिया। उसके बाद वो जो हमें सेमी सर्कल शेप दिया है उससे हमें ये जो हमने राउंड न्यूज़पेपर से बनाया था राउंड सर्कल, उस पर हमें उसे लगाना है। ओके, हमें ग्लू से उसे यहाँ लगाना है, एक फ्रॉक जैसा बनाना है। यस, now let it dry for some time. If you have completed sticking all the wires, let it dry for some time like this. This is mom and child soapies. अंदर इंसर्ट करने के बाद हमने उसे लास्ट में सील कर दिया था ताकि वायर बाहर नहीं निकल आए। उसके बाद हमने उसे बेंड कर करके ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर दिया और फिर राउंड में ऐसे लगाया। ओके, नाउ दिस पार्ट इज डन। नाउ वी विल टेक अनदर न्यूज़पेपर रोल। ओके, we will take another newspaper roll and we have to twist it here. We will leave some gap here, this much of gap. I will tell you how much centimeter it is. It is 5. Okay, we will leave 5 centimeter gap here, and take another newspaper roll and twist it like we have done this one. Okay, we have to seal it with Fevicol properly. For this circle, for this circle 4 newspaper rolls. You need to join 4 newspaper rolls and then make this circle. Yes, it is okay. Please, can you say once more? Yes, yes, you can use copper wires, but it should not be very thin. Okay. Like this, it is done. Okay, now in the middle part, we will take another newspaper roll and we will twist it and cover all of this. Okay, but we have to make the middle part thin, not thick like these two. Okay, we will take another newspaper and twist it around this middle part also. We are basically making her body. Okay, yes, you need to roll in between the gaps, but you don't have to make it thick like this one. Okay, you have to make it thin. You have to round it like a spiral. Okay, then if you are having a little more gap here, if your gap is not covered, you can take another stick and roll it also. If your gap is okay, then wait, I'll tell the next step. Because I was having gap, so I rolled another stick here. Okay, after doing up to this much, we will take one 5 centimeter stick. Okay, we'll take one 5 centimeter stick. Then we have to insert it here. The where we have rounded, there you have to insert it. Yeah. Now you have to take 5 centimeters stick. Okay, 5 centimeter. I have taken wire. Okay, this wire you have to take 5 centimeter wire. And I'll insert it in this small gap here. Please switch off your mic. If it is not going, I will use any type of pencil or something to push it. Don't push it with your hands, okay? Okay, I have inserted in this part from the top. I have inserted that wire, and now I can easily bend it because I have inserted the wire. So this part I can bend it, okay? Where I have rounded like a spiral, that part I can bend a little like this. You can see this bend. Yes. Cut these sticks, not from the end. We will leave a 2 centimeter gap here, okay? We will leave a 2 centimeter gap here, and then we will cut it from the top. One by one we can cut all the sticks with the scissors. Your aluminium foil, okay, and you need to take a small piece, this much big, okay. You need to take aluminium foil and you need to round it like this, okay. You need to make a sphere. This is the head which I am making now from the aluminium foil, okay. If your body is too big, then make your head a little more big according to your body shape. With the foil paper, you can do the head, okay. If you are not using the foil paper, then you can just do it with newspaper, okay. You can make it with newspaper and then seal it with glue so that it becomes plain, okay. The surface becomes plain. Look, yes, you need to make your head big. Look, now my head, it is looking small according to my body, so I'll make it more big. Okay, look, my head, I have made it this big. Small one this time. And you need to round it like this. You need to make it like a ball, a small ball. It must be smaller than the head, okay? So we are making her hair at the back with the small foil. We are making her hair at the back, which we will stick like this with the head. If you have made both the two, then you can take to stick the head. Otherwise, I am using a small 2 centimeter wire. Okay, I am using a 2 centimeter wire. Yes, you can join her head and hair from wire. I'll insert the wire in her head. No, aluminium foil won't stick with Fevicol. You can use sellotape if you have double-sided sellotape. Okay. Yes, you can use double-sided tape. Otherwise, I am using wire. I have inserted the wire. Yes, take a small piece. Okay, take a small piece and stick the bun with the head. Stick the hair with the head. Body. And we need to make the hands. Okay, here now we have to make the hands. For this, I'll take another newspaper roll. No, we don't need to cut the hands. We will take one newspaper roll and one 15 centimeter wire. We will take one newspaper roll and one 15 centimeter wire, and we will insert the 15 centimeter wire inside the newspaper roll. Okay. After inserting the wire, then after inserting the wire, you need to seal the newspaper from both the sides. Last time we have sealed it from one side only. This time we need to seal it from both the sides. If your newspaper roll is very long and your wire is short, then you can use two wires. One from this side you can insert, and another wire you can insert from the other side. You need to cover the whole roll with wire. Okay. So my newspaper roll was of 30 centimeter and my wire was of 15 centimeter. So I have to insert two wires to make. Yes. um, yes, you have inserted the wire. Okay, after inserting the wire you need to bend her hands upwards. Okay, you will need to bend her hands upwards like if she was. Okay, after I have sealed the wire inside the newspaper, then we have to attach it on her body. Okay, below her neck we have created this round, we have to stick it there only, like this. Okay, we will apply some glue and stick this. Now my hands are straight right now, but because I have inserted the wire I can easily bend it. I'll bend it upwards like this. You can see I'll bend it upwards like this. I'll hold it here for some. Now here all the newspaper roll part and everything is completed. Okay, now we need to extend her dress here up to this much. You have seen in the picture her dress is extended a little back, so I'll take another newspaper roll. Okay, now at the back side, hands are at the front, you need to stick this newspaper roll at the back. I'll show you like this. Okay, you need to stick the newspaper roll like this, and after applying glue I'll stick this one. Like in a U shape. Okay, at the back side of her body you need to stick another newspaper roll. You don't need to insert any kind of wire in this, just simply take any newspaper roll and stick it like a U shape, like this. Okay, okay, now any paper that you are having, you need to fold it. I am folding it first in half, then another time I folded it to like this. Okay, after that I will cut it in rectangle shapes. Using scissors I have cut it like this. You need to cut your newspaper or any rough paper like this. You can take any yes, you need to cut your newspaper or any rough paper. Any waste paper you can cut like 30. For now you can cut like 30 papers like that. After cutting the papers, what we need to do is, we have already made the main base, the skeleton part of the doll. Now we need to cover her dress part with this paper. Okay, like this we will cover her dress part. We will stick these papers like this to make a whole dress. We will stick it using glue. You can stick as many papers as you want to cover the whole part. I'll apply some glue on this newspaper roll. And I will take a paper and I'll stick it. Don't stick it loose, you need to tightly stick it. So here, like I have made the mom doll, you can also make the child doll with the same process. Okay, you need to make a small circle like this, a smaller one, then you need to stick newspaper sticks. You need to insert 5 centimeter wires and make it just like this. So I won't teach the doll in this class. If you still want, then I can send you the YouTube link where I have taught how to make the doll. Okay. You need to make the doll today only, so that tomorrow we will paint both and stick the doll also. Like this, you need to stick all the paper. U-shape part, you need to apply some glue and you need to stick it over here. Wait, I'll show you. We will apply some glue over here. Okay, we will stick it on the U part. And then we will, after sticking one side of the strip on the U part, we will stick it on the dress, so that it will be a plain like this. It will be plain. You can see the picture I have sent in the WhatsApp. Now we will take tissue paper one by one. You need to open the tissue paper. Okay, not fully, you need to open it in half. Then you need to stick it. You need to stick it over her dress part. Okay, how will you stick it? You can stick it with this glue mixture. Yes, so that the surface will become more plain and we can color it easily. It will become hard. Okay, so what I am doing is I am trying to give some foldings on the tissue paper. Like in dress, when we wear something, we see some foldings on the cloth. Okay, so I am giving some foldings on the tissue paper while applying the glue mixture. You need to do it slowly, otherwise your tissue paper will tear. Can you speak it a little slowly? Your voice is breaking actually. Can you speak in English? So after you have covered your doll with the tissue paper, it will look something like this. You don't need to cover her head, we will be directly painting her head. You only need to cover her body and her dress. I have covered her body very thinly. I have not given many sheets of tissue paper here to cover her body, otherwise it will look out of shape. Okay, so it is looking something like that. Now I have also dried it, so it looks something like this. Okay,